Welcome on board ITMAconnect, the world's largest digital listing of textile and garment technology manufacturers. As a registered visitor, you now have year-round access to ITMAconnect. Explore and discover the companies and products available from over 1,700 technology owners, anytime and anywhere. Gain direct access to the people that matter and open up new windows of opportunities. As a go-to knowledge hub, check out Agenda for an array of events held throughout the year to gain industry insights and trends. Let's get started on your ITMAconnect journey. Upon successful registration, you will receive a welcome email containing your unique passcode. Log into ITMAconnect via the ITMA website. Select ITMAconnect for Visitor and key in your unique passcode. Click on the profile icon and select My Profile to upload a photo of your choice. You can now start exploring ITMAconnect. Make full use of the messaging and meet features. Connect with the global textile community and unlock limitless business opportunities anytime, anywhere.